Today I want to talk to you about the structure of the eye. So starting with the outer layer here, the white layer is called the sclera. It's a tough outer layer that helps to protect the eye. Then over here you've got the cornea. As you can see, it's transparent. It's also got this characteristic curved shape. The reason for that is so that it can refract the light as it enters the eye, helping to focus it on the retina. Then in the middle, you've got the black portion of the eye. This is your pupil. It allows light to enter the eye. Surrounding the pupil, you've got the iris. The iris contains both circular and radial muscles. Depending on their contraction and relaxation, that will alter the size of the pupil. Remember, we want to constrict, narrow the pupil when we're in bright light. Why? To protect our retina from damage. And then when you enter a dim room, you're going to want your pupil to dilate in order to allow as much light as possible to enter your eye to reach the photoreceptors in your retina. As I open up the eye, we reach the lens. The lens is incredibly important for the fine focusing of light onto the retina. It carries out a process known as accommodation, and it allows us to focus on objects at different distances away. So, for example, if you're looking at an object close to, you'll need your lens to be very convex, to be very fat, and that's in order to refract the light strongly onto the back of the retina. You have both suspensory ligaments and ciliary muscles that will help control the thickness of the lens. If you're looking at an object far away, this time you want your lens to be much thinner, and that's so that light is refracted less strongly so that it can focus on the retina. Now, your retina is found towards the back of your eye. It contains photoreceptors, which are sensitive to light. Where your optic nerve takes electrical impulses to the brain, you'll find your blind spot. That's because there are no photoreceptors here. On the back of your retina, I can't really see it here, you'll also find your fovea. This contains a high concentration of cone cells. These are a type of photoreceptor which is sensitive to colour. The inner layer of the eye is known as the choroid. This is a black layer that stops light bouncing around your eye. You'll also find several liquids. The first one is the aqueous humour. The second one that forms the main bulk of the eye is the vitreous humour. This helps maintain pressure within the eyeball.